Or were inside at some point.
Is that back window less tinted than your window?
My back window is very hardly tinted. Like 5% my back window.
My window opens all the way.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Oh,
we got that!
We got a video?
We got that shit!
Yo!
What the fuck was that?
Is he okay?
Who did that?
I don't know. Look.
I thought that was water spout.
Oh shit!
We got that on video! Sonny, that's not a celebration.
Oh.
Yeah.
What the fuck are you celebrating? Sonny, why are you happy?
Go and pull over to the right. Jesus Christ! He was drunk. 100% he's drunk.
Well, what happened? Can you explain?
Something happened on the.
So this one hit that car. That Mercedes or whatever the fuck that's at that store hit the other car.
So was he going
yeah,
forward?
he
or
was going
turning
straight.
right?
He was going straight. Go straight, Sonny.
Yo, that will happen to me. Fucking 2 cars.
Yo,
away.
let me out here. Actually, let's go out.
Yeah.
Let us out.
Wait, but how are we? But what do you? Where am I going?
Where am I going? Yeah, don't leave me.
Sonny, I can't. I gotta take a look, Sonny. Go
Fuck.
around the block, please. You have my number. Actually, also this is the key, so you're kind of fucked.
I can't get out of the car. Come on, give me the fucking key. Yo.